So is this the end of Google, all the affiliate websites? So let's look at it. So ChatGPT has now introduced the search feature without logging in. Now right here you can see I'm on my incognito tab and I have not logged in yet. But I can search through this. So let's say if I want to click here, Nvidia, or let's just say Apple stock price today. So let's see what it shows up. And then I'm gonna, at the same time, I'm gonna, put this inside the Google search bar and see the same. So you can see right here, it's just literally, duplicated. But yeah, so it looks like same, okay, same thing. How it affects, blog sites and affiliate blog sites, people who are, dependent on affiliate blog sites, okay, they are really going to be affected by this. Maybe even, e-com stores. So let's just say I want to buy, best laptop under 1,000, okay. So there's this websites, right? So these are all websites which are listed, written and ranking on the Google, but they are, affiliate websites, right? If they click on one of the link in the website and it's gonna take you to the same product without costing you any charge, they're going to earn. So these kind of websites, how it is affected by using, with the introduction of this ChatGPT search feature. So let's just say I'm just gonna put the same query, best laptop under $1,000. So it's going to search the web and it pulls up every single information, okay, and they're gonna read the information. Okay, so the ChatGPT is ranking Apple MacBook Air M3, and they might not visit the websites because if I visit the website there'll be many ads right here. Okay, so you can see it is loading the ads. But what they can do is they're gonna swap the app to Amazon or any other shopping app and type in the query and boom, order. Now these are not affiliate links, okay, so I can even do like this, okay, best pets from top rated pets. So let's say if you're older person and you are looking for top rated, let's just say Sofas from Amazon, and I'm just gonna hit enter and see what hit happens. So again, by looking at the review, so this is the best case study, okay, so this is the best case study. So by looking at the Amazon top rated, it's gonna pull up directly from Amazon.com. So if I type in here, so it's directly going to the Amazon, so it's not even affiliated. Okay, UTM source chatgpt.com. But think about people who are writing affiliate for this keyword, okay, so think about people who are the websites which are dependent on this keyword, which are affiliate, okay, and this one called Cosmopolitan, and then these YouTube videos, and so let me just scroll down, and then this website. So again, I can go to the second page, and you get what I'm saying, right? So the same thing goes for any kind of keyword, top rated, laptops, and it's just gonna show me if there are any affiliate websites. Like, people think about this, guys. Nowadays we say go to the google.com, and in 5 to 10 years, if this is very advanced, if this is even advanced, we're gonna say go to chatgpt.com and type in search here, okay, best top rated. So let me be specific, so gaming laptops, and then it's gonna show me just affiliate links, okay, and then if I go to the sources, so these are some websites which are affiliate websites. But yeah, you need to, what I'm saying is the affiliate websites will be gone if you're directly dependent on affiliate websites, because people come to the ChatGPT because it doesn't show ads, so which is why they take information from this and just take this query and put it in Amazon.com, or they directly gonna click here and it takes to Amazon and they're gonna purchase this. So it's better to find another source of revenue, not depend on affiliate model. You know what I'm saying, right? So I guess, I don't know, is it, so if the blog, if the data for the ChatGPT is pulling from this website, so what is this? So what is it? Architectural Digest. Are they, consent to provide information to ChatGPT, or I don't know what is happening in the background, or I don't know what is happening in the back end. Is it really legal to, get the information directly from the blog sites? Because, these people, they have written so much of, blog content. They maybe even hired a SEO writer to write all this content to rank in a Google. Okay. But it seems, the information it is pulling in, I don't know if they are legally, have access to this information to directly pull the data from Google and, recommend it right here. And, by giving the users the information and not, redirecting them in a proper way to the websites. It would be good if the ChatGPT doesn't provide, this much information, but rather it provides something like a snippet, and then it gives the blog sites to go follow and see more information. Okay. And it shouldn't also show these images, but I get it. It need to fulfill the user intent. But let's see what happens in the next 5 to 10 years. We cannot predict anything as humans. So with that being said, catch you on the next one. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts